So for this task, brother, you have to do in the collab. So how we do? I have done the one by one these things. So our one task is using only your Python environment. Create a text file, okay, with the name of ca1 underscore b9d a108 and ask for user input for name, favorite color, and favorite animal. And we need to write in the file, then read and then print the user. Okay. So first we check for the file name. We created a variable file name and we have loaded this name. So I have added the comment for that one and then name, and also ask the input for your name, color, animal, and added the comment right side here. Then we have started the writing the user input to the file. So we can simply use the with keyword with opening of this file, which is name of the something, as the write mode. And then first we just write it the name plus slash n. That simply means it would first write the name, then a new line, then again the color, and then new line, and then in the end it would be as a last name. Okay. Then after that we have just opened that as a read mode. So in the read mode it would read one by one all lines. So if you run this one, running this one, so I'm just pasting it by my name. Okay, I'm deleting this one first because this is generated file. Okay, Shahraj SHAH. Okay, okay. And what is my favorite color? It's blue, and it's cat. Okay. So it would just simply show these things Shahnawaz, blue and cat. That's it. And once you refresh this one, this would I mean not in this one, this will generate in this side one Shahnawaz blue. So it is returning in the file as well as it is showing in the this one. So coming into this one is our second program. Write a Python program that take an angle as a radian. So it would ask as a radian and convert this to degree. Then this angle should be less than 90 degree or an error should be produced. Get a length from the user in meter. Using both of the angle and length, calculate the hypotenuse. And he has provided an example r, 10m and 20 degree. So we would go with this example only. So we will first find what is exactly a 20 degree in radian. So 20 degree in radian. Okay, so it would be something 0.3495 or something. Okay, we would go with that one. So first we have just used the mat tool, and mat tool is used for calculation of pi, sine, cos and tan, these things. But we are using only sine, so we can remove this comment from this one. Okay, from a sine, that's it. And then we will first ask for angle, and this would be a float variable because we need to ask for the angle should be always a float. If we not use this keyword, that would be treated as a string. So we need to use this one, and then we ask for enter the angle in radian. Okay, then we would just convert this in a degree. So angle in degree simply having a formula like radian into 180 divided by pi. That would be like a conversion of angle radian angle to degree angle. Then we would check if the angle is greater than 90 because they have given the condition to us like it should be below 90. So first is, then we would show the error like the angle must be less than 90 degree and we would exit this one. Then if this is not passed, then after going this one we ask for the length, and this should be also a float because if we not convert in this one, then it would be also treated as a string. That would not good. So hypotenuse, as he given the formula like it should be length divided by sine of degree. So we have just used length divided by mat dot sine of the angle, and that's it. The hypotenuse of this angle should be as a meter one, and in the end we have just showed this one. So running this one, we would first give this properly, copy this one, and that's it, and then 10 meter, and it would just simply show the 29.24 exact answer. That's it. Now coming into the third one we they have provided us a file, that is CA dataset semester1 repeat.txt. So we would just open as a read mode. First you need to open this file, and if you see, this is a strange thing like 31, 69. These are the list of numbers, only single integer numbers. So there is only single term in the file one by one. So we can simply say these are the numbers. So I have just opened the file as a read mode and read all the lines using f.readlines, and then I simply use the string keyword, like no, not a string keyword, sorry, it's list method, and inside the every of the data of the x is simply also a list that would be converted as an integer of x. So the data would be an integer of list. Then I will just simply use the min method and max method of the list. So it would simply show the minimum value as a 30 and maximum value as a 68. Running again, for this one you need to first upload this file to Google Colab. Okay, running in this one, and you will simply get 30,68. Then in a second we need to get the average. So average simply formula is sum divided by length of the things. So sum we can use the sum method, and for the length there is a length method in the list as well. So simply run this one. So it would be 48.41. Then we need to use pandas library, and we need to first decentralize the data set into 8 bins, produce the count of each the users, produce a histogram of the decentralized data. So we need to use the pandas and matplotlib because we need to produce a histogram as well. Then we will convert our data first to pandas data frame first. So we have created a data frame num, and we just pass our list, and our column name is data basically. So first we need to decentralize this data into 8 bins. So we simply use the cut method of pandas. So df is equal to pd.cut, and our data set name is simply data. So df.data comma we need to use 8 bins. So 8 bins, and simply printed the things like how many counts are there. Then we have to plot this one. So we just simply use the value constant plot as a bar plot because histogram is simply a bar plot, and then we simply plotted the things, showed the things. So these are the data 29 or something. These are the things divided in, and this would be histogram. Now in the end of the program we need to use pyplot, and we need there are two functions, fx is equal to x cube power 2 plus x and x cube power 3 in a single graph, and the range should be between minus 10 to 10. So we use the numpy variable numpy here for line spacing because they have given us the range of minus 10 to 10. So we need to align space for that, and matplotlib as we already have used in the %. So first we define our range. With the range should be x is a minus 10 to 10. So it would be a numpy dot line space minus 10 to 10 with the spacing of 100. Then our first the variable is y1 is equal to x to the power 2 plus x. Then second one is x to the power 3 simply. Then we just plotted first with the x comma y1 as a label of x, this first function x to the power 2 plus x, and second is also in same plotation x with the y2 comma x, the range of the so x3, and then we added the legend here. The legend showed this thing, and we simply show that one. So running in this one, and that's it. If we see there is a closing point here at 0. So that is our assignment. Basically you can use this one, and if you have any doubt you can simply say to downloading this one as I pin by the assignment. That's it.